a good run last season in the Robocon, that is the India Robocon 2023. While on the other hand, BRAT, Vishwakarma Institute of Technology Pune, that we're talking of, started the first game today of the first day of Robocon India 2024, and they lost that game. So it wasn't a good start for them because they lost that match against Pimpri Chinchwad College of Engineering Pune, where the Pune University had 270 points, while BRAT has 100 points. So yes, they lost by a big margin, and now it's two strong teams coming up face to face.
Look at that team in red straight away going for that autonomous robot, trying to pick as many balls as possible and throwing into the last area. But I have to say that as far as MIT Pune is concerned, they are one team to watch out for, because Robocon has been held in Pune for a long time. The kind of technical and scientific temperament that has been developed in the area of Maharashtra and around is really a sign, an index of their quality of engineers and young technocrats that they have produced over the years. And here also putting up a great show. Already 10 saplings into the planting area by team in blue, MIT World Peace University. Mind you, they are giving a good fight out there to a BRAT Vishwakarma Institute of Vishwakarma Institute of Technology, which has lost one of their matches already. They were in the first match, the opening match of the day, when they were up against Pimpri Chinchwad, where they lost by a big margin of 170 points. They only managed 100 points. And now in this match number 2 up against MIT Pune, they are having a tough time, but I really like the rhythm they have maintained so far already. Now the last 2 remaining rice seedlings have been planted in the planting zone by BRAT Vishwakarma Institute, and already their autonomous robot is moving towards the area number 3 and trying to pick as many balls as possible and trying to accumulate maximum points from that zone. Only that will be their saving grace. But team in blue, World Peace University, looking really ominous.
Right, two strong teams coming face to face, and that is what you expect. A good match, a neck-to-neck fight should be happening, and that is what we are seeing right now between the MIT University, World Peace University Pune, and BRAT Vishwakarma Institute of Technology Pune. Also, the kind of crowd support that we have right now is beautiful. For the teams have cheerleaders, should we say, in the form of their own student supporters coming out and giving the best of support to their own teams. Now here what we see is that the blue team has been very successfully able to plant the seedlings into the right spot, which was needed, and so has the red team able to. And that has been a neck-to-neck fight, and now we have to see in the second zone when they move into placing the balls, where will they land up? And this looks to be a very good position for both the teams. A neck-to-neck clash happening between the red and the blue team, being represented by the BRAT Vishwakarma Institute of Technology Pune and MIT World Peace University Pune. We'll have to wait to see, Akshay, how this entire result is going to pan out and turn out.
Well, as you rightly pointed out, this is a very important match as far as BRAT VIT is concerned. Both these teams come from Pune, and that is the time up for this match. And one of the most exciting matches of the day. Look at the applause all around the stadium. Really well-deserved, well-fought match. And no matter what happens as far as the result of this match is concerned, we've watched a great match.